Okay, here we are back at the job site. So, we traveled from, the fabrication site, and we transported our our final system to the job site very carefully, and now we're going to install it in. Let's see, that 2 dimension was the depth, I guess, not really the length. So yeah, there we go. Another successful, innovative, new idea, fabricated project from Plan B Engineering. All right, so the next phase is going to be, I have to figure out how I'm going to loop that new liner over, and then how I'm going to stack these things up and keep the water inside the pond. Yeah, but we did solve this problem, so we got that going for us. All right.